Welcome to my entryway. Kind of hard to show with the camera angles how small the room is, but right now I've just got nice hanging storage and a good little nook to put boots and shoes in. I want to change that up. I'd like to put a little bench in. On top you can sit down, take your shoes on and off, put them in a storage spot so they're out of the way, easier to clean the floors, keeps it nice and organized on the way in. Hanging space, obviously it has to change. If I'm going to put a bench, this will be in your way. So I think I'm going to put some hanging racks along the wall and have an idea for that. We'll see if it works out. So come along, we'll see what we can do today. First off, I want to start, get all this stuff out of the way. Next, let's rip this out. As you can tell, it was on there pretty good. All right. I have my rough dimensions here, so I'm going to go and lay them out a little bit wide, and from there I'll cut them out with my track saw, and I'll bring them over to the table saw to get them cut more accurately. I'm going to be painting these, so I'm not too concerned about which phase of the plywood I'm going to be using right now. Well, that's where today's project starts. I didn't get to the bench top this weekend. I have to source out, I think I'm going to use some red oak. I'm going to go 17 inches out, so I'll have to take a few boards, mill them down, glue them all up. And then none of these corners are square, and it's a little bit of a gap, so I'm going to have to scribe in each side. So stick around, I'll make a video for that one. Showing you how you can lay out and get all three sides scribed in perfect, and then the top should set right into place, provided these walls don't get too out of whack a few inches above where the bench top actually needs to sit. The cabinet itself is leveled out, so as long as I get the bench top flat, we should be good. And then for the back wall, I'm not sure exactly what I want to do yet. I know I have a coat rack system I want to install. I just have to build it. It's a bit of a process. I've made a smaller one before, but I want to get the matching red oak to the bench top, and I'll do a separate video on that one. That one I'm pretty excited for. I've done one, but I haven't done one to this scale. And then I'm not sure what else to add onto this. I don't know if I want to do some accent panels on the back, some decor above the rack. I'm not quite sure. So if there's anything that you can think of that would look good in here, please give me a shout, give me an idea, add it in the comments. That'd be great. Thanks for sticking around on this one. Hope you have a good day.